Hello people. Today we will look about how to fix the problem parsing the package. So hello guys, my name is Pooja and you are watching Gossip Funda. So let's not waste our time for it. Let's go. Method 1. Just update and restart. Go to the Play Store app on your Android mobile. Then open and search for the app which shows the error message in Play Store. Then click Update button. After completion of the update, restart your phone. Now you have the issues solved. If not, try another method. Method 2. Tick and untick. When you have a problem with APK files, go to the settings. Then tap on Security. You will find the option of Unknown Sources. After this, as you see, some apps are ticked. Remove those ticks and once again tick them. Method 3. APK Editor. First, download APK Editor in your Android mobile. Soon after downloading the app, open it and select an APK file. After selecting, you will be shown 3 editing options. Select the first one, Full Edit. Now, while loading itself, you will see Manifest option at the right bottom corner. Click it. It takes some time to load. It display you the APK code. Now, you will be provided with search option down to the screen. Search for the term SDK. Now click on Save at top to save these changes. It takes a couple of minutes. Method 4. Check storage. Go to the settings on your mobile phone. Then in the additional settings, tap on the storage. If there is no enough space in your device, then look for the unwanted application, unused documents and a clear cache of large apps that indirectly manage your OS may also give a solution for this sort of error. For example, antivirus apps and etc. So, to uninstall such apps, restart your device and then click on Uninstall the APK you desire for. That's it guys. There's a link of our website in the description box. Do check this out. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones. And subscribe Gossip Funda.